Hi, I'm Drew Price, and welcome to the final video of the series in partnership with Iterable, where we're diving into actionable tips for Lifecycle and CRM teams who want to get more done with what they already have. So far, we've talked about automation and how to drive real impact. Today, we're wrapping up the series with a focus on execution, specifically the operational principles that can help you elevate your programs and make every communication count. Let's dive in. Here's the first principle. Don't phone it in when it comes to creative. The delight is in the details. Your customers can tell when the effort isn't there, and that can erode trust. Instead, approach every communication like it's a love letter to your customer. Be intentional, provide meaningful context, and help them make informed decisions to get the most value from your product. It's this level of care and detail that creates memorable experiences and builds loyalty. Next, let's talk about getting the most out of your creative partners. The key is to empower them with an ownership mindset. Share the strategy and the why behind a project. Give them directional advice and then step back. Let them bring their expertise and creativity to the table. When we do too much of the work as generalists and only ask for paint-by-numbers execution, we risk demoralizing our partners and missing out on true breakthroughs. All right, tip number 3. Building on the collaboration with creative partners, create a culture of competitive A/B testing or concept testing. If you have more than one designer, copywriter, or strategist, let them compete on high-impact projects. This friendly competition can lead to innovative ideas and better outcomes. And if you end up with multiple exciting approaches, test all of them. It's all about driving the best results for your customers and in turn, your business. All right, tip number 4. Set a high bar for QA and results. Mistakes can happen, but aim for a culture where no objective errors make it into production. This isn't about perfectionism, it's about respecting your customers and maintaining trust. Keep your standards high and you'll see the difference it makes. As I mentioned in the last video, make sure your purchase and engagement metrics are properly integrated with Iterable or your chosen ESP if it allows for it. There can be so many imperfections around attribution, using last touch UTM for example, so you really need those checks and balances to make sure you are getting the proper credit for your projects. There are also other features such as frequency management and journey performance recommendations that you should test out as well, as these are low effort, potentially high impact optimizations. In closing, execution is where great ideas become great outcomes. By focusing on thoughtful creative, empowering your team, fostering competition, and maintaining high standards, you'll build programs that truly resonate. Thanks for watching this final episode in our series. If these principles resonate with you, I'd love to hear how you're applying them in your work. Let's keep the conversation going, and I'll see you on LinkedIn.